Something completely unprecedented is happening inside Apple's secret product development labs, and it is about to completely disrupt the entire tablet industry. For years, we have been conditioned to believe a simple compromise. If you want a truly portable device that fits in a small bag or a jacket pocket, you have to settle for the cramped screen of a smartphone. And if you want world-class, professional-grade processing power, you have to buy a massive, heavy tablet that feels like a laptop screen ripped off its keyboard. But Apple is about to officially tear up that old rulebook. Behind locked doors, engineers are finalizing a machine that defies the traditional laws of portable hardware. It is the all-new iPad mini 8. This isn't just a predictable speed bump or a routine annual spec refresh. This is a radical, ground-up engineering masterclass designed to shatter every single limitation of small form factor computing. Apple has quietly engineered a piece of hardware so fundamentally advanced that it completely blurs the line between a casual everyday reader and a multi-thousand-dollar mobile workstation. If you thought the transition to Apple Silicon was impressive, or if you think your current mobile device is fast enough for your workflow, you are about to see just how far behind the rest of the industry has fallen. Today, we are stripping away the corporate marketing talk and pulling back the curtain on the actual reality of this machine. We are breaking down the secret architecture of its brand new display, the mind-blowing processing power upgrades, the massive leaps in battery efficiency, and the precise strategy Apple is using to make every other compact device on the market look obsolete overnight. You will want to stay locked in for every single word of this, because near the end, we are exposing an unannounced shift in Apple's hardware ecosystem, a shift that directly changes how you interact with artificial intelligence on a daily basis. To truly understand the massive leap we are looking at, you have to look closely at the legendary display debate that has divided the iPad community for years. Historically, small tablet buyers had to deal with a frustrating phenomenon known as jelly scrolling, where one side of the screen refreshes fractionally slower than the other, creating a distracting, wavy effect during fast vertical scrolling. Apple has officially decided to end this compromise forever. The iPad mini 8 introduces a world-first custom-engineered display layout built specifically to address response times at a foundational hardware level. Apple has implemented a blazing fast, ultra-smooth native refresh rate that dynamically scales all the way up to 120 Hz. This completely changes the visual experience. Text looks as sharp as a printed physical book, fast-paced animations feel buttery smooth, and the response time when navigating UI elements is completely instantaneous. But they didn't stop at the refresh rate. The internal display panel uses next-generation structural layers that bring the glass significantly closer to the actual pixels, drastically reducing glare under blasting direct sunlight and creating an incredible paper-like visual depth that makes content look jaw-droppingly lifelike. Powering this visual masterpiece is an ultra-powerful processor built on an advanced 3nm manufacturing architecture. This custom silicon is an absolute beast. It delivers a colossal leap in graphics rendering capabilities and processing efficiency compared to previous generations, packing billions of transistors into a space smaller than a postage stamp. This means developers no longer have to heavily download